The recap video. Oh, tonneau covers, huh? All right. See you later.
Later, in the void.
What are you guys thinking we should install?
First, we have to kidnap Kenny back from the bus.
Okay, so
Yeah,
we
he
gotta
can't
kidnap
go
Kenny.
racing next
Operation Save Kenny.
Kenny, blink twice if you can hear
Yeah,
us.
you better bring us back some cheese from Wisconsin, Kenny.
Yeah.
So yeah, first step, we gotta kidnap Kenny. The next thing we gotta do, we're gonna kind of get the Silverado back on track. We're hoping to go ahead and get the tech rails installed, back on track with the hot tote, and back on track with our third brake light, which that's gonna have the quick disconnect. So we're pretty excited to see exactly how that's gonna go. And then for our F-150, we actually were able to, we're getting more and more stuff delivered to us as the build kind of progresses here. So we were able to get our impact mat in. Really excited to see how that fits in with everything, especially with our multifunction tailgate. Should be kind of cool to see how that works together. And now that we have a little bit better plan together for the blade, should kind of help us narrow down where that's gonna go.
We plan on doing the mudskins too, front and rear.
Oh, the mudskins.
The weapon.
The muddy flappies.
Megan comes in with a great suggestion. Yeah, exactly. And the cool thing is, like, once we get that, that's gonna super change the whole look of everything. And then when we get our, maybe upgrade some running boards and everything. So the look of this whole overland build is really starting to come together. What else are we thinking on here? Ben, what do you think of this overland build so far?
Oh, I think it needs to be higher.
You're a lifted guy.
Yeah, yeah.
What are you thinking, like 12-inch lift?
Oh, you know, like a 6-inch, you know, suspension with a 3-inch body, you know. Put some big swampers on it.
Thanks. All right, so Ben still wants to go lifted. We'll see where that's going because we're kind of going back and forth on between lifting and getting it leveled out and everything there. But we still got the lifted crowd pulling for it, so we'll kind of see where that goes together.
We've been arguing about it for a week and a half, so yeah. I don't know what else to say about names. If you just want us to call it Steve, you can do that too. But Steve and Joe.
I mean, I haven't met a lot of bad Steves in my days. So
Really?
I guess there's, well, a lot of them have been cats, so I guess. So I don't know if that really is a good thing to do. But anyway, so I guess that's where we're at in this week's truck build. So hopefully next week, you know, we're back to full strength. Everyone's back in action, everything there. We can get everything installed that we need to, because we keep getting more parts every day, so I don't know what's going on.
We gotta get all these boxes out of the office.
Exactly. Brooke's getting buried in there. It's insane.
I'm about to build a fort, so. And see.
Like, follow, subscribe, RHRSwag. Thanks, guys.